Hello everyone, I am Saitendra and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I need to do the battlegrounds mobile ping value comparison between the iQOO 7 versus Poco F3 GT device. Let's see friends which phone has got really good ping value by using the Jio 4G SIM card. Yes, so this is a Jio SIM card which I'm trying to use in this kind of video. So this video is going to be really very interesting. The reason is because just yesterday I did upload the same kind of video using the OnePlus Nord 2 and the ping value is not that great in the OnePlus Nord 2. So then a lot of users they did ask me, what about the ping value in the iQOO 7 device? Can you please compare with these two phones? So because these two phones, a lot of the gamers they are actually looking to buy one of the device. So let's see which phone has got the really good ping value using the Jio SIM card. So first, let me try to show you the exact RX Monitor application. You can see the Jio SIM card as you can see right now. And iQOO 7 is getting right now 4G aggregation, whereas the Poco F3 GT is not getting the 4G aggregation at this moment, as you can see. So don't worry about that, because Poco F3 GT is not supported with the 4G aggregation in the band of 1800. Let me show you exactly. Yes, in this 1800 frequency, it is not supported with the 4G plus aggregation. That's the one thing you should know about the 4G plus. In case if you want to know more details, in-depth videos, try to check only one video. This video which I uploaded on the 4G plus issue, why it's happening like that, so you'll get a clear idea. I'm not showing that video for the getting some views. I'm just showing the video for your knowledge only. You should know why there is no 4G plus. That is the reason I'm trying to explain you clearly, but I'm trying to use the same 4G SIM in both phones. So let's get started friends without wasting any time. So it is the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay. So let's start the game at same time. Let's see which phone will be opening faster. So when you're trying to open the Battlegrounds mobile, and both phones I did turn on the Ultra game mode and game turbo as well during this process of demonstration. Let's see which phone will be having what kind of ping value. That is the most important thing for this kind of video. So that's what I'm going to check at this moment friends. So this is going to be really very interesting comparing both phones, and this is my first time doing this kind of ping value comparison between both phones. So this is using the Jio SIM card in the indoor condition. Let me quickly select everything. Yes, so now I'll try to start first with a normal team deathmatch. Let me try to start the team deathmatch in both phones. Yes, and both phones it's showing only green color in the bottom, as you can see. Only green color is showing in the bottom, so don't worry about that. So this top phone is the Poco F3 GT. This top phone, you can see the trigger options which is present, and the bottom is the iQOO 7 device. So in this way you'll be able to identify which phone is what type of phone. So right now let me try to change the direction of the lighting a little bit, so now you can actually focus on the results much. So let me try to select yes. So now you'll be able to see the milliseconds. I'm getting 160 in the iQOO 7 device. As you can see, 160 and 80 somewhere around that. You can clearly see friends. I just want to decrease the lighting a little bit so you can actually focus properly on the milliseconds. So 56. So it's very odd to show both at the same time. First let me try to play one for some time in the Poco F3 GT. I'll try to play for some time and you can concentrate on the ping value. I think ping value is about close to 48, not bad. 48 degrees, 48 milliseconds I'm getting the ping value at this moment. 52. So 48 the milliseconds, as you can see. So 56 during this time. So it did not decrease below that. 48, not bad. So this phone, even without 4G plus, it should not be having that kind of problems friends. So don't worry about that 4G plus and all the problems. So 56 milliseconds, it's really good. The ping value is very stable while playing this game, no problem. So 48 milliseconds during this time. Not bad. So till now I did not see any kind of red alert in this Poco F3 GT. So now I'm trying to play in the iQOO 7 device. Let's see in the iQOO 7 how it is. 160 milliseconds in the iQOO 7. As you can see, the moment I started to play, it went up to 160 and 88 milliseconds. As you can see friends, 88 and 100 milliseconds. So I'm trying to use the same Jio SIM in the same location. 92. As you can see, 78, 77 and 80 milliseconds. You can see that clearly it's more than the Poco F3 GT. So right now I'm not trying to concentrate much on the gameplay, but you can see the milliseconds, 123 milliseconds. It's not that great, friends, when compared with the Poco F3 GT. It is using the Jio Sim card. And one more thing, and it also depends upon the location to location as well, friends. Don't worry about that. So maybe in your location, if you get the very good signals, you may get really good speeds. (70) 120 milliseconds. As you can see, 120 I'm getting at this moment. 80 milliseconds, not bad. So 84 milliseconds I'm getting at this moment. So 88 milliseconds, 88. So 88, it's staying exactly at 88, and the Poco F3 GT is staying at 56 milliseconds, as you can see. 56 and 52, Poco F3 GT. So this is using the normal team deathmatch only. So maybe the results might be different for the classic match. Let me try to start playing the classic match and show you, friends. This is kind of different, as you can see. So 76 in the iQOO 7 device. It's not decreasing below 50. So let me need to start the angular match first in the Poco F3 GT. Let's see. And both phones I'm trying to use only the Jio SIM card during this process of demonstration. And in case if you want, I can definitely try using the different SIM cards, but still I'm trying to explain you. So let's do the same map. I'll try to put Erangel map only in both phones. So just for the sake of testing, so it should be kind of equal maps between both phones. That's the reason. So first let's concentrate on this Poco F3 GT first. So Poco F3 GT right now. So till the time of landing, I'll try to show you exactly the what is milliseconds I'm trying to get. So right, it's about close to 48 milliseconds and 52 milliseconds at this moment, as you can see. 304 milliseconds, it went down to 304 just now. 126, this is the Poco F3 GT, the triggers. (56), it went up to 300 milliseconds as well in the Poco F3 GT, not bad. So let's see. So I'm seeing consistent here of about 56 only, continuously consistent. That's kind of good in terms of the FPS count, as you can see exactly. Let me need to drop at same location in the Pochinki. I'll need to drop at that place, so it should be kind of good. Let's see. 76, 44. So this is going to be really very interesting, friends, in terms of the ping value. So before that I never concentrated. So until few of the subscribers did ask me, so what's the pin value? So then I started to look after this kind of problem, what is happening in the phones, which phone has got really good strong signals. 60 milliseconds and 48 milliseconds, and it also depends upon different sims and type location also. So you should not be worried if you're in the metropolitan city or big cities, but let's see what will happen. So right now 56 milliseconds I'm getting. (56), let's see. Let's focus exactly on the ping value. 56, it's staying exactly 56. As a lucky number, I think. So it's not moving, it's not even changing. It did just now, it changed to 68 milliseconds as well. 68 milliseconds, 68. (68 milliseconds), 269. As you can see, 269 milliseconds. Just now I did observe 269. Now I'll try to start the iQOO 7 as well in terms of testing. So let's see what will the iQOO 7 do. So this is the iQOO 7 device, as you can see, friends, clearly. how much this phone gonna come this time. In the team that match, the iQOO 7 did not perform so well, that great. Let's see what will happen this time. This time 244 milliseconds, directly it went up to 244 without even thinking. So now it came back to 68, 64, 68. But in the Poco F3 GT I'm getting 56. 56 was most of the time, it was consistently exactly 56, but in the iQOO 7 device it was changing randomly. It's kind of going to 64, 72 and again coming back. But you did see in the Poco F3 GT most of the time it was only 56. It's like it's a lucky number, I'm not sure, but still I'm just trying to mention you what is happening between both phones in terms of the ping values. Top phone is the iQOO 7 and bottom is the Poco F3 GT. You can see how they are behaving at this point exactly. And let's do the drop test again in this iQOO 7 device. Let's see. So right now the time is about 12:05. As you can see, night 12:05. Right now I'm trying to record this video. So doing this night time so that no one will be using any kind of internet and the results will be kind of accurate. That's the reason. So every day I think I'll be sleeping around 2 or 3 o'clock every day after doing all this kind of testings which I need to do at night time. And let's see this time which phone can actually show fast. Let's see the ping value. This is going to be really very interesting. So I do know the video is slightly lengthy, but still it's kind of worth watching. In case if you plan to buy one of the phone, you should know. 88 milliseconds in the iQOO 7 device. 80 milliseconds. It's 187 milliseconds. 187. 677 milliseconds in the iQOO 7 device. 677. As you can see, 677. Whereas in the other phone it was completely green only. As you can see in the Poco F3 GT, and this phone it went up to 200 as well, and right now it was stable. I think it's around close to 100 milliseconds right now I'm getting. So let's compare now side by side. Let's see what is happening. So now we'll get to know more details. 76 and 60. 56, 112, 72 milliseconds. So one Poco F3 GT, now it went to 232 milliseconds and again it decreased. You can see side by side at same location. So these are the quick ping value comparison between both phones. Overall in my testing I did find out that the Poco F3 GT was able to maintain slightly better ping, exactly around 56, as it was a lucky number for the phone, 52 most of the time. So that's it, friends. This is a quick comparison, and in case if you want me to do this kind of comparison with other phones with what you're planning to buy, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to do those kind of videos as soon as possible in my channel. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.